Hello Huskies, this is how to order your CSU GE or IGETC certification forms. So first we're going to go to the ELAC website and we're going to go to the search bar. Here we're going to go ahead and type in admissions. Click on the first result and then you'll be led to the admissions website. On the side there's a tab for forms, click that and you'll be led to the forms, and here are the certification request forms for both CSU and IGETC. I'm going to go ahead and click IGETC, show you what that looks like. And so I'm going to pull that in. And so this form is a fillable PDF. Read through it and make sure you complete this. You will need this. You don't need to fill out the transcript request form, just fill this form out. And so now we're going to go ahead and search transcript. And then it's going to lead us here. Click on the second result, enrollment in transcripts. And so here we're going to find Parchment credentials under how to order transcripts. We're going to click on that, be led to the website. And so here we need to create an account. So if you haven't done so, you have to do that first. I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I've already pre-created the account. We're going to sign in as learners and parents because it's for current students, alumni, or parents. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And so this is what your profile looks like. We're going to go to orders. Here, this is how you track your orders, but now we're going to create a new order. We're going to start by adding the school we're ordering from. So I'm going to go ahead and type in East Los Angeles College. And then click on the first result. Go Huskies. And then we're going to read through this. This is just a statement verifying that you're currently enrolled as a student, and these are your transcripts. And so another thing that you have to do is select the year that you started at ELAC and your expected grad year. So I'm going to enter 2021 for that. Then we're going to proceed. And then we're going to order transcript. So we're going to go ahead and click that green button. Now we're going to search the school that we'd like to send those transcripts to. You could type in your CSU or UC, the desired school that you wish for the transcripts to be sent to. So I was going to type in Cal State, but then I went with University of, and I'm just showing UCLA for an example. So it popped up, you click the school, whatever school it may be, and then it's going to lead you to this page. Really important, here is where it asks you if you'd like to add an attachment. So you click that button right there, and that's where you can upload that CSU or IGETC file that you filled out earlier. You go ahead and save it onto your desktop, onto desktop or downloads, whichever you'd like, and then you upload it there. And then you sign here and you continue on, and really that's it. Thank you for watching, Huskies. Hope it was helpful.